What is the word? What is the word? What is the word? What is the word? Welcome back to the channel. You already know it's Jira, your reactor, and we're always keeping it real. I come back here for another reaction for you. I mean, every time things have to get better. I like those that with me from start and those that growing with me, and I also appreciate those that are now coming and join the family. This ain't no gang, this is a family. Okay, so let's just go into it one time. This song, Obanga, Classified. Obanga is Dominican, by the way. Let's run it. Hold on, let me check my audio. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Something's up. Okay. Just want to make sure it's loud. Obanga, big up yourself.
464 reppin', yeah, nigga, that's my set.
Ooh.
767 born and raised, nigga, I could never forget.
767 born and raised, nigga, I can never forget.
BX banger, they say that I bangers, I put them on hangers. Ride around with a scam, looking at getting some action.
Ooh. Aye, yo, this nigga sound like DDG on this shit. What the hell? No. We gotta bring this back. This nigga started off like I can't even remember the artist's name. That's how crazy it is. And then it just switched up into some type of DDG type of vibe. The singing part, yo, that was crazy. Talk your shit.
464 reppin', yeah, nigga, that's my set.
Hey.
767 born and raised, nigga, I could never
Forget, yeah.
BX banger, they say that I bangers, I put them on hangers.
Okay.
Ride around with a scam, looking at getting some action.
Yo. Oh shit. Yo. Ooh. Man, tell you, let's do something that's alright. I want to keep it classy in the fucking fun, man. He basically saying like he just want to keep things real, you know. He want it to be classified. People don't have to know all the business, you know. Let's just run vibes. Ooh. Yeah.
Some days hot, other days it get real cold.
Ooh.
Some days I got money, other days I be broke.
Oh.
Living life day to day, I don't know how I'm gon' go.
Yeah.
Living life pay to paycheck, that shit no joke.
Ooh.
Just let me skirt on my bike.
Yo, this nigga riding a freaking bicycle. What the fuck? This nigga is riding a bicycle. Bro, that's what you left Dominica to do, ride bicycles. I just played it for you, man. But after, yo, what you have there? You have a Hennessy bottle in the bicycle. That's what I see in there. Is that a Hennessy bottle? Really, at least he's rocking his Rolex. At least he's fresh on the bicycle. I can't say nothing about that. Let me bring it back a little bit so we could catch back from the singing, you know.
No joke.
But I'll be alright.
Just let me skirt on my bike, yeah. Pop up a bird, get rid of the hurt that's inside, yeah.
Yeah.
Level beyond it, I think that I need me some church.
Ooh.
Word, yeah. I know I need me a word, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, this year I'm gonna level up, that's some funk.
Oh shit. I don't understand what kind of pose. I think like maybe like that maybe he thought the cameraman was taking out photos and then after they tell him it was a video.
Ooh, this year I'm gonna level up, that's some funk.
Ooh.
I'ma cop the rollie with the bezel on, that's some funk.
The man will cop the rollie with the bezel on. The man don't want no fake Rolex. The man want them Rolex with the diamonds, the real ones. Don't play it, man. Big moves. The devil be haunting. I think that I need me some church. But listen, man.
I'm gonna level up, that's some funk.
Hey, yeah.
I'ma cop the rollie with the blizzle on, that's some funk.
That's some funk.
I'ma bring the world to my city, that's uptown funk.
Ooh.
Then I'ma get drunk.
Tonight, I just wanna live my life. Meet a shawty I could vibe with.
Ooh.
Things we know ain't right. Keep it classified. Tonight,
Hey, hey.
I just wanna live my life.
Meet a shawty I could vibe with. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Yeah. It's the dog barking for me, you know. Respects, brother, respects. Red Coat Music Group, big up yourself one time. No, all I can say basically is like, plain and simple, this was a well put together song. And as for the visuals, I respect it, because it's not like he went over the border to make his point drop. He did what he had to do, and just he knew that catching visuals on YouTube make you get more views and make people recognize who they are listening to, so he went for that vibe. So all I can say basically is it's a very well put together song. I'll give it a 9/10. Keep doing what you're doing, Obanga. And yeah, did I mention in the beginning that he's from Dominica? Yeah, he's from Dominica, so, and he even bigged up 767. So big up yourself, 767, and all the people in America that listening to Obanga, big up yourself one time. And you already know it's your boy Gyro, your reactor, with another video. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Laters.